Welcome back to Automotive Widgets. If your Toyota Highlander ride has started feeling bumpy, noisy, or unstable, it's time for a suspension upgrade. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best shocks for Toyota Highlander, carefully selected from Amazon for quality, performance, and reliability. We'll break down each shock's pros, cons, performance, and price range so you can find the perfect one for your Highlander, whether it's an older 2004 FWD or a newer 2021 ADU model. Number 5. Front Spring Strut Shock Absorber. The front spring strut shock absorber is a solid replacement for 2004-2007 Toyota Highlander FWD models, offering a full coil-over strut design that combines durability and smooth ride control. Each unit is built with high-quality steel springs and pre-assembled mounts, ensuring a direct bolt-on installation without extra tools. This setup effectively absorbs impact from rough roads and potholes, restoring comfort and reducing front-end vibration. Many users note a noticeable difference in handling after installation, especially in cornering stability and steering response. The OE-style construction ensures it fits perfectly and maintains the same geometry as factory-installed parts. Coated with anti-rust material and designed to handle diverse road conditions, this replacement pair is both cost-effective and long-lasting. For Highlander owners looking for reliable front suspension replacements that balance quality and value, this option checks all the boxes. Number 4. Shock Struts Absorbers. The Shock Struts absorbers for Toyota Highlander 2015-2020 are designed to replace the left rear shock with a robust one-to-one OEM fit design. This single shock is ideal for drivers who experience uneven rear-end stability, squeaking, or clunking from one side of the vehicle. Its 1-1 performance design ensures that it restores comfort and damping characteristics equal to factory standards while adding enhanced ride control for high-mileage Highlanders. Built with premium steel tubing and nitrogen-charged technology, this shock delivers smoother handling and improved traction. It minimizes vibration over speed bumps and stabilizes your Highlander on uneven roads. Customers on Amazon highlight that it's a perfect direct fit with easy installation, no modification or special tools required. Most notice a like-new feel immediately after replacement, especially during highway cruising and braking. The design also focuses on durability, using anti-corrosion coating and sealed pistons to prevent oil leaks, making it suitable for both city and rough terrain use. For owners who want a reliable replacement without spending on a full kit, this single-unit option balances cost and performance effectively. Number 3. PM Auto Set 4. The PM Auto Set 4 kit is designed to replace both front quick complete struts with coil springs and the 2 rear shocks in the 2020-2021 Toyota Highlander AWD model. Because it includes front strut coil assemblies plus rear shocks, it offers a full suspension refresh rather than just a one-end fix. According to the product listing, the front units are quick complete assemblies, meaning they arrive pre-mounted with springs and mounts, so installation is faster and safer, no need to compress springs yourself. In practice, owners report that the ride quality improves noticeably, reduced front dive when braking, stronger rebound control over bumps, and improved steadiness in highway cornering. The rear shocks help eliminate rear-end wallow or bounce when accelerating or going over rough patches. One user noted that after installing a full set of front and rear components, the Highlander felt as stable as when new, despite having 90,000 miles on the original suspension. Build quality appears solid. The kit's struts use pre-assembled mounts and springs, and the rear shocks are built with durable steel bodies and a corrosion-resistant finish. Fitment is vehicle-specific for the 2020-21 AWD Highlander, so it's important to verify your VIN and configuration before purchase. Overall, for AWD Highlander owners looking to redo their suspension top to bottom, this is a compelling all-in-one solution, especially if you're tired of bouncing, nosediving, or poor stability. Number 2. Front Struts Shocks. This front struts and coil spring assembly is a perfect match if you own a 2004 to 2007 Toyota Highlander FWD. Designed as a complete replacement kit, it includes the coil spring, strut, and mount, all pre-assembled for quick installation. You can easily replace both front units without needing a spring compressor, saving time and workshop costs. This shock absorber set provides exceptional damping performance and helps reduce vibration from rough or uneven roads. Users on Amazon mention that after installation, their Highlander drives smoother, feels more stable around corners, and the front suspension noise disappears completely. The improved rebound control also enhances braking response and cornering stability, especially valuable for city driving and long highway trips. Made from premium-grade steel and coated to resist corrosion, these struts offer OEM-quality durability. Whether you're restoring your ride's comfort or upgrading from worn-out factory shocks, this set is an excellent option for Highlander owners seeking reliability without breaking the bank. Number 1. ECCPP Front Pair. The ECCPP Front Pair Complete Strut Assembly is a highly reliable replacement option for 2008 to 2013 Toyota Highlander models. Designed as a complete front strut assembly, it includes coil springs and mounts, making installation straightforward without requiring special tools. Drivers report a significant improvement in ride smoothness and steering stability after installation. The struts are built with high-tensile steel springs and precision-welded components, ensuring long-lasting performance even on rough terrain. Many Amazon reviewers praise how well it handles potholes and daily commuting, restoring factory-like comfort and eliminating front-end noise or vibration. If your Highlander has been bouncing excessively or nosediving during braking, ECCPP's set delivers a solid fix at a budget-friendly price. It's an excellent OEM-style replacement for drivers looking to restore performance without paying dealership prices. So there you have it, the top 5 shocks for the Toyota Highlander that can bring your SUV back to life with smoother rides and better control. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because we post new automotive upgrade guides every week right here on Automotive Widgets.